Wait.
What you got? Oh.
What are you saying? Stop, I'm not playing. I'm doing this because I'm...
This one, hey, refrigerator.
Can you count this counter for me? No? Okay. Skinny legend.
Acting like you. Crazy, man.
Got it. What's that for the... I'm trying to get warm. I don't know why it's cold down here. The air. Oh, let me check it in this coat or keep her off. It's so cool.
What?
I'm cold. It's cold down here. Mom, why are you saying it's up to kitchen? This is your house.
That room, baby.
That's auntie. Say auntie.
Mom, how are you gonna say it's up to us? This is your house.
Because it's where she's sleeping at.
So auntie hot. She want the AC on.
And this is where she needs to be comfortable at.
No, she's not. She just said she woke up and she just said she just said it's cold down here, but you didn't see her. I didn't lie.
So you think auntie cold?
Sister. Sis. She's snoring. She ain't big about us.
Well, what's the temperature on it? She'll feel better.
People asleep. Mind their business. I got this one.
Hey, did you do your push-ups today?
Oh no.
I know you did. You know what I'm saying? I gotta keep reminding you, big boy. Put that on the couch. Don't put it on
So these are fresh greens. They have been stripped from the vine. They have been washed
10, 11,
and they have
12,
been cut.
13, 14,
And now they are about to go in,
17,
well,
18,
in a little bit.
19, 20.
They are going to go
Wait,
in the pan with a pot. I just put the smoked turkey wings on. I'm gonna let them cook and simmer for about an hour.
Oh my God.
And I'm gonna put the greens in, put my onions, and I'll let them simmer throughout the night. And the house is gonna be smelling so good, and there's so much memories with my mother throughout the years. And it's crazy because my mother is here at my house tonight. And memories. Just, you ever have a smell or a memory that just gives a memory of a smell or a smell of a memory? So that's what it's giving right now. It's giving that smell of memory being in my mom's household and just having the smell of food cooking throughout the night.
I was about to say
So
more.
it's a beautiful thing that my mother is here in town at my home. And yeah, and then throughout the night while we're sleeping, we're gonna smell food. We didn't prep. We have our sweet potatoes prepped here. So we didn't boil them. They're nice and soft. We are going to peel them in the morning. Put them in the oven. We got our pasta salad done. We got our deviled eggs done. Everything's in the refrigerator. We got our pies. I'm about to put the greens on. And you feel me? Who can complain? Life's great. We can't complain. So, with that being said, the only thing we gotta cook, we're gonna do the smothered turkey wings in the morning. I'm doing salmon lasagna rolls. We're doing our gravy. We're doing our gravy, our not stuffing, but excuse me, but my mind is I'm very my mind is gone. Okay? My mind is gone. I was in a car accident yesterday, as y'all see. So my mind is kind of tainted right now. I'm very, very tainted. Okay? Bear with me. We got the salad. We got the fresh greens. I'm very tainted right now. We got our rice. We're doing dressing. We got our deviled eggs in there. We got our cranberry sauce. That's what we got to put in the refrigerator. We're going to do that in the morning. We got our sweet potatoes, pasta salads, turkey, dressing. And family's here. We got our sweet potato pie. Can I have one egg? So we was able to bake cookies today. So we baked cookies for the kids.
I boiled some.
That was good. I'm good.
I might do it.
It's good. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
I'm still doing it.
It's okay.
I'm still doing it.
Don't do that.
Because me and Lex.
I'm making macaroni and cheese in the morning. And yeah. So right now, this is boiling. We got this on kind of low. Everything's boiling. Let this boil. So we got our smoked turkey wings boiling in our vegetable broth. God is good. We can't complain. How you feel, Mom? Give me your body.
She wasn't like him. I mean,
My stomach hurt.
man, what? Now you.
I'll be